the sunlight in my morning sky, the gentle kiss that wipes the tears I cry. With every smile you chase the dark away. You are the love that guides me through the day. Oh, sweet mother, heart so pure and true, the world is beautiful because of you. Your kindness is the song that sets me free. You are the greatest gift of all.